I'm willing to dance for Los Angeles.
365 Days of Love. So, I was thinking it's Friday, you know, people are stressed out, had a long day of work, or a long week at work, and what would be a good way to get people's weekend started? If they saw someone dance who can't dance. So, I'm gonna go to the corner of a freeway. There's a lot of people leaving from work, and I'm gonna make a sign that's gonna say honk. I will dance. Reluctantly. Love life movement, if you know what the love life movement is, it's about your love life. You know, it's about living your life with love. So he's gonna hold up this one, which is pretty safe, you know, makes people feel warm in their heart. I'll probably honk at this. Yeah, the things that I do for love. Yeah, we're about to make a fool out of myself.
I used to dance when I was in 2nd grade. I danced like MC Hammer. That's when they had their Saturday cartoons. So MC Hammer, he would teach you how to dance. JasonLawCan'tDance.com. I love LA. I love Los Angeles. I will dance for Los Angeles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Here we go. I'm telling you. You've never seen the back. Wow. Oh! Where you at?
Well, obviously you're trying to get attention.
Trying to show people they can smile on a Friday.
That's what I'm talking about, homies.
Spreading the love, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Spreading the love.
That's what LA's all about, man.
That's right. LA stands for love, Los Angeles. Jaeson, I'm a pastor here in LA. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Getting crazy, making people laugh, putting a smile on their face. They had a long week of work.
Come out here and start battling you.
Oh!
I'll dance with you.
You better honk. Oh! Where you at? Where you at? Oh! There it goes.
I'm making my Friday, man. Hey, my name is James Mesa, and all I want to say is you need to spread love 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Don't ever stop.
Don't ever stop. Love life. Spread the love. Feel like a professional dancing love machine. Love. And all I gotta say, 365 days of love today. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Put on some earphones. Make a fool out of yourself. And tell the world how much you love them. J-Maw Dance. Can't do this anymore. Whoa.
You got one, you got one.
I can't breathe. How do you feel, Christina Chow?
I feel pretty good. I made someone's day.
I was trying to get people to honk and people were glaring at me. But I don't know, some people were smiling and good.
Good.
Yeah.
You always have the haters in this life. But no need to worry about the haters. The haters will hate themselves. You just have to worry about those who need a little smile in their lives. But the people we dance for. Welcome to Jaeson Ma's neighborhood. Another episode of 365 Days of Love.